In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste transpose in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to flip data so that rows become columns and columns become rows, transposing is exactly what you want. We'll start from the very beginning and walk through the quickest, most reliable way to do it, using Google Sheets' built-in paste special option, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From that menu, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If it's in your recent files, click it. Otherwise, locate it from your drive. Now, identify the block of data you want to transpose. Click and drag to highlight that exact range. Transposing will rotate this selection, so make sure your highlighted area includes only what you want flipped. Double-check that headers and labels are included if you need them moved too. Copy the selection. On Windows and Chrome OS, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. You should see a moving dashed outline, confirming the copy worked. You can also copy via the right-click menu or the Edit menu if you prefer. Next, right-click in the sheet where you want the transposed data to begin. It's best to choose an empty starting cell with enough space to the right and downward, so you don't overwrite anything important. If you're unsure, place it on a new sheet or a blank section of your current one. You can move it later. In the context menu that appears, hover over Paste Special. This opens a sub-menu with advanced paste options. From there, click Transposed. Instantly, Sheets pastes your copied data rotated. What used to be along the top will run down the side, and what used to run down the side will now stretch across. If the result overlaps existing content, just press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo, pick a safer location, and do the paste transposed again. If your formatting looks off, remember that transposed paste moves values and layout relative to the new orientation. You can clean up column widths and text wrap afterward. A quick tip: paste transposed creates a static copy. If you need the transposed data to stay linked to the original, consider using the transpose function in a formula instead. But for a fast, one-time flip, paste special, transposed is perfect, and that's it. You've successfully paste transposed your data in Google Sheets.